Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you two different best apps for volume discounts on Shopify. Now, before we get started, definitely check out the first link down below in order to check out the 30-day free trial for your Shopify. You can get 30-day free trial with our link down below. So let's get started. So the first app on this list is called Discount Yard. Now, this is basically an app where you can stack discounts. You can, have volume discounts on Shopify. As you can see, all vital apps in one app. So you can basically have on-card discounts, automatic discounts, product labels, as well as product bundles and bundled discounts as well. You also have promotion widgets as well, which is really great. This app has one click away live support as well, which is insane if you're thinking about it, because you will have, everything in one place. You also have mobile responsiveness, so you can adjust, to be responsive on mobile, and you can manage everything through your mobile phone. Now, this app is very simple. This is what it does. You have on-card discounts, tier discounts, product labels, product bundles, feature selected offers on a side widget to encourage customers to buy more. This app has been here from 2020, and again, you have 7-day free trial, but if you want, you can also go for $19 a month, almost $20 a month, and you'll get all of these plus what you get in free trial. So that's pretty much for this app. The second app is called Volume Boost. Now, this is if you want to get volume discounts. This is from $10 a month. This app is really great because you can set up tier pricing in a matter of minutes. You can set up volume discounts, quantity-based discounts. This is probably the best app that will allow you quantity-based discounts that you can find, and you can apply bulk discounts like this. You can select offer types, create offer types for your customers, and then you have flexible scheduling and pausing offers. So as you can see, this is where you can edit discount tables. This is what you get behind the scenes in the backend. And the Volume Boost app provides the best BFCM merchant experience. You can highlight the discount you want to offer for your customers. And as you can see, you have multiple discount types, maximizing your buying potential. So you'll get more people to purchase more stuff from you and more products from you. So obviously you have location specific discounts as well, and selective discounts, card list, grid preview, and a bunch of different more stuff as you can see right here. Now, this works with all the latest Shopify themes. It's really great, and as you can see, it comes in at $10 a month. So if you want to try it out, definitely try it out. Now, these are two different apps that I would recommend highly if I want to go and start something on Shopify and integrate volume discounts on Shopify. However, if you want to get a 30-day free trial on Shopify or 3 months free trial, you can get the first link down below, and definitely check it out. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.